So I'm getting down to the last 30 seconds of programming this in a 75 degrees Celsius bath, and then I'm about to put it in this 90 degree bath here. So the first one was 90-90, this one's gonna be 75-90. Things to note is that 75 degrees Celsius, it's actually a lot more difficult to try and program it. I have to use a little bit more force, it's a little bit more stiff. So I'm actually curious about the recovery time, and I think it's gonna be a bit faster. So there's that 2-minute timer that I've put the specimen in. And so now I'm quickly going to change it out. Okay. Gotta get all the water off here. So we'll do this. Okay. Take that out. Put this plate back on. So now I'm putting on the recovery jig right now. Okay. It's in the recovery jig now. Let's adjust this attachment here real quick. Okay. Now I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna have to get a lot of paper towels soon, so. All right, here we go. Okay, it's submerged. Right, and wow, yeah, look at that. That was quick. That was really quick. That only took 8 seconds. It's kind of like, at first it was kind of like stretching out and then it went. So wow. And not only that, but it looks like it's basically a full recovery as well. Wow, that's quite interesting. So although it was harder to program, the amount of time it took for it to recover was way quicker than the 90 degree one for programming. So I'm gonna let this go probably for about a minute. Give it a couple more seconds here. I'll probably go to 130 and then I will cut it off there. I'm also gonna then bring it back over so I can do a 75-75 and a 90-75. So we'll see how that goes. All right, and that's the timer. So with that, this seems to be a full recovery. I'll pull it out and actually compare it now to the first one that we did, the 90-90. All right, I'm gonna put this back in here as well. Yeah, I'm gonna need to clean up with paper towels, but that's okay. That'll just be part of the cleanup, and luckily it's just water, so it's nothing too terrible. So now I'm gonna pull this out. It's probably cooled quite a bit. I just put it back in the freezing bath. That way I'm not gonna end up burning myself on the nuts and bolts here. So first one here, this is the 90-90, and this was the 75-90. As you can see, there was quite a bit more recovery from the 75-90 than from the 90-90. So that's really cool.